Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be coming to you guys with a video a little bit different than my usual. It's not going to be a hair tutorial, but it is going to be a tutorial on how to flip your money. So I'm just a college student. I don't have much, but I had enough to invest. I was noticing that the stock market was just down significantly and I just couldn't pass this opportunity up. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 safe stocks to buy now on a budget in recession 2020 with super high returns. So I noticed that the airline industry was taking a significant hit, and I just knew that this was the prime opportunity to hop on. So, American Airlines stocks, for one, right now is sitting at about $13. With that stock sitting at $13, you can buy around 37 stocks and be paying about $4.80. So, after going on Robinhood and doing some research, I noticed that the average stock of American Airlines usually sits at about $28. So 28 times 37, you're looking at $1,036. I'm looking to sell my stocks around wintertime or the holiday season because I know that with all this corona stuff going on, people are going to be so thirsty to see their families after everything blows over that everybody's going to want to travel to see their families. So right now, we're looking at my Robinhood profile. I've only been in stocks for about 3 weeks, so you're not going to hear all these super high technical terms because I'm new to this, but I knew that I couldn't let this opportunity pass me up, so I just had to go all in. Once again, the stock market in general is a risk, but if you believe in yourself, in your process, then it's not really a risk. To me, I don't see this as a risk. I see this actually as a super safe opportunity to double my money. So anyways, so we were just on my watch list and now we're looking at American Airlines. And as I said before, American Airlines is selling right now at about $13 per share. Just a couple months ago, when it was at its typical point, it was around $28, which is amazing. We're getting it at such a low price that there's no other way but up. And even if people are still skeptical and scared to fly again, we're still going to have a return. And whether or not it's going to be a huge return or whether or not it's going to reach back up to $28, which I do predict, I actually predict it's going to be more than $28. But that might just be my optimism coming out. But yes, I really think that this is super safe. You can't go wrong with this. You're not going to lose money. And even if it does go down, say we have another stay-at-home order and they extend this one, then that might be even more opportunity to buy because we can't stay home forever. So if it goes even lower than $13, then you just continue to buy more. But it's certainly going to go up. There's no way that they're going to let these airlines crash. Also, Trump has been looking into giving grants for airlines. So that's also a bonus. So by investing your money into the stock market now, you will be looking at about an extra $500 to $600 in about 5 or 6 months from now if you sell in the winter months. If the economy is back to its normal place, which I predict it will be. And I mean, this is an opportunity you can't pass up. It's way better than just letting your money sit in a savings account and gaining like a 2 or 3% interest. That's ridiculous. Take control of your life so you can be on your way to financial freedom. Anyways, so now we're here at Delta Airlines, which is my next stock that I want you guys to look into. Right now, Delta Airlines stocks is sitting at about $25 per share. So like we said, with our $500 budget, you can buy around 19 stocks, which will cost you about $4.75. After looking at Delta's charts, the average cost per share of a Delta airline is sitting at about $58. So 58 times 19, you will generate about $1,102. That is significant. And I guarantee you there will not be another opportunity like this where to be able to purchase so many stocks of these major companies at such a low price will happen for you. You have to do it now. So we're on my profile again, and we're looking at Delta Airlines in their charts. So today is sitting at about $24, around that point, $24 to $25. If we look at the data and how much a stock was worth, once again, I'm looking at these winter holiday months because I know that is travel season for most people, especially with this corona stuff going on. People are definitely going to want to see their families for possibly the first time in months. So we're looking at around that Thanksgiving, Christmas period, excuse me, and it's sitting at around $58. So that little $25 that we just paid for a stock times 19 is gonna go up to $58. You will be making around $627 if you just sell in about 5 months. That is insane. That is awesome. So as you can see, this video is mostly airline industry based, but towards the end of the video, I also have 2 stocks that are not airline related, and they're companies that most people know about, and they also have a great opportunity for you guys to invest in them right now. And I really want you guys to think about it. You know, people always talk about the stock market, but they want you to think that it's harder than it is. It's actually not. You don't have to know all these terms and, you know, be a pro and all that. Look at me, for example. Take me, for example. I literally, yeah, I knew about it in high school because I had a math teacher, and my dad actually is heavily in the stock market, but there's only so much that you can learn from someone telling you. You have to do it yourself. And I mean, that's what I did. I want to take control of my own financial situation, and I really encourage you guys to do the same. So anyways, right now American Airlines for one stock is sitting at about $32. Once again, with our $500 budget, we can buy around 14 stocks for that price, and we'll be paying about $448. So once again, after I looked at their charts, they usually sit at about $89 per stock. And I want you guys to remember that people are going to be thirsty to see their families. So once again, whether it goes back up to 89, I'm not sure, but like I said, I really think it's going to surpass the $89 mark. But I want to remind you guys that these are definitely my predictions. You can make the choice for yourself when you think the best time to sell would be. But to me, it's looking like this is the time. Around that Christmas to Thanksgiving time frame is when we see the most traveling, which we already know because we hear it on the news how packed the airports are and all of that. So take that in I'm sorry, I can't talk. Take that into consideration too when you are investing your money. Always think for yourself. I am just here to really encourage you to start to get into it. But I also do believe in my plan as well, and I don't think that I'm steering you guys in the wrong direction. So you're looking at a $800 return that you can make by just simply placing the money that you already have into the stock market instead of a bank account.
Wow! Oh my God!
Alright, so if you made it this far in the video, I would really appreciate if you liked and subscribed to my channel if you're not already. And also leave some comments down below because I really want to know what you guys think about the stock market, and if you ever thought that it was attainable for you. You know, like people always put things like this on this high pedestal, like you have to be so sophisticated and have to know all of these different things to get involved in the community. And I'm just here to tell you that you really do not have to. I'm also here to tell you that a Robinhood account is 100% free. I don't pay anything for my account. So this allows me to have complete control of my money and my stocks without having to pay a broker or different organizations to grow my money for me. I'm looking to do this myself because I don't believe in anyone more than I believe in myself. Anyway, so this is how the Disney stocks are looking now. And once again, I'm going to take you guys to the charts and show you. Now, the return is not as great, but I mean, I just want to show you guys the top 5. And I know a lot of people, you know, are comfortable with the Disney brand and name, so I just want to show you guys. And although the return is not that huge, it is still a return. It's still better than letting your money sit in a savings account and not doing anything about it. Once again, I also predict that, you know, Disney's the happiest quote-unquote place on earth. So with people can't talk. With people already wanting to go there, and lots of people had plans to go this summer, and they had to obviously renege and cancel those plans, they're going to want to go again once everything gets back to normal. So I'm predicting a huge spike in the Disney stock market, and I just think that this is the perfect time to invest while they're kind of low. So now we have Uber. Everybody knows what Uber is. Uber all around, yes. But Uber stocks right now are looking at about $28 per share. Once again, with our $500 budget, we can buy around 17 stocks of Uber for $400 and something. So once again, I looked at the charts of Uber and how they usually look, and the average stock price for one stock in Uber is sitting at about $40. So once again, these returns are not huge, but they're still, compared to the average stock market, this is a significant return. It's just not compared to this recession market, if that makes any sense. So right now, you'll be able to flip and make, I'm sorry, I don't even know the technical term for it, but you'll be able to generate $200 out of the market from Uber, but you won't see that big $600 return like that I showed you previously in the airline market, because it's not that big of a market, but you're still going to see some sort of return. So I really urge you to do something about that. And this is all about how much you have in your bank account and how much money you have to spare. So that's what I want to show you guys, that no matter how much money you have, you can invest. It doesn't matter whether that you're just buying 2 shares. You're still going to double your money. And if not double it, at least increase it more than it is. So yeah, I just want to show you guys this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I wasn't all over the place, and I really hope you guys learned some new information. I do apologize for not knowing all the technical terms, even if I use some terms wrong, but this is just all that I know, and yeah, I just really want you guys to know it too. So thank you for watching.